my name is Donovan Leyda. I'm a welder here at Tusco Manufacturing, and I've been welding for just over a year. So I first started my education as a mechanical engineer and then changed to business administration and got a 4-year degree from Kent State. I then went to Buckeye Career Center and got welding technologies from them. And the reason I chose welding was because in the Boy Scouts, I took welding merit badge and found a passion for it. And I've grown the passion since I've got here at Tusco. I've started robotics welding as well, and I'm looking forward to what I can do here at Tusco. When I came here to Tusco, I was surprised by the amount of collaboration that there is between departments. I had always imagined manufacturing as just standing at a conveyor belt or at a station working all day, but there's a lot of collaboration that goes on inside of manufacturing to make sure that you're turning out good quality products.
Hi, my name is Stephanie Riddle. I've worked at Tusco Manufacturing as an operator for 3 years. I went to college for wildlife conservation, moved out to the state of Wyoming, and worked for Game and Fish for 2 years. Then I got into meat production and did that for a couple of years before coming back home to Ohio, where I started with Tusco Manufacturing. When I started with Tusco, I started on the paint line, and I quickly took off with learning some of the machines, and so they put me on the robots and I started programming those, and so I'm able to program the robots, and I hope to get more into welding so I can understand them better. So with programming the robots, there's a lot that goes into it. We say that we control 14 variables, and then we also control 7 axes on the robot plus 1 axis for the team. I was surprised by the scope. There are so many different lines. We have people that form parts, we have people that weld parts, and we have people that work on the paint line to powder parts.